Open source score, all that process stuff I just said, all that stuff that I just referenced, we attempt to quantify this. How many people here have taken the survey? Cool, a few of you have. Thank you very much. We really appreciate that. If you haven't, go to opensourcescore.com and take a very quick survey for us. What we're trying to do with this, it's an straight out, it is an educational tool and an educational platform. We want you to take a survey. We want to quantify your knowledge when it comes to open source process, expertise, knowledge, et cetera, on things like I just identified. Understanding of licenses, attending open source events, contributing code, open sourcing an internal tool or technology. How many people here have actually open sourced something? Okay, a few of you. I can tell you that if there are best practices, there are right ways to do that. If you're working at a company now, and you want to recruit better talent or more talent and you're having a tough time, a lot of companies, what they're doing is they're open sourcing cool things that you're already doing internally. Well, if someone goes to the boss or the person in charge or decisions are made collectively, and you say, I have a great idea in the context of talent recruitment and talent retention. We use this really great tool that helps us out wonderfully. It's very beneficial internally. Let's open source that to let everyone on the outside know what cool things they could work on if they came to work here. I can tell you that a long pause is going to follow because people are going to look at each other like, boy, that sure sounds good. Well, how do we do that? What do we do? Who's the expert? Can we talk to somebody that's done that before? Because I don't want to incur any liability. And what license would we attach to that? And don't we have to have a policy in place? And who's going to write the technical documentation, documenting the logic, et cetera? Who's going to do that? And if the response is, I don't know, I couldn't tell you, I don't know, that's not going to go very far. So we encourage you to learn more about it. But that's what open source score is. Take the survey. We encourage you to do it and learn and access some of the educational resources, some of the educational links that are on that website. Try to do that for us. Here's this is the final thing that I'll say about SCORE. We've built in sort of a gamification aspect to this as well. We want you to know how you score in relation to everyone that's ever taken the survey. It's not a competitive thing. You don't have to share your score. It's not about that. It's just we found it beneficial. We thought it would deliver value to let you know how you stack up against everybody that's ever taken it. Where do I fall in relation? Oh, I see I got a 65 on a scale of 0 to 100. Is that good or bad? Or is that better than 80% of the people that have taken it? Or is that better than 20% of the people that have taken it and I really need to know more? That is built in as well, and you'll see that on an open source score. That's new. We're in beta. You'll find bugs. Trust me. We're making changes and updates, and we're seeking contributions. So if you take a look at it and you have some ideas as to how we could do it better, let us know for sure. But please be on the lookout for open source score.